Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the best universal Wi-Fi GPS car audio multimedia player. The Hipcron Best Universal Wi-Fi GPS car audio multimedia player is a feature-rich, modern car audio solution running on Android 11. It boasts a 2.5D high-definition digital screen with smooth full-screen capacitive touch control, available in 7-inch and 9 sizes. Connectivity is facilitated by built-in GPS, which comes with pre-installed Google Online Maps and supports other map applications, and a built-in Wi-Fi module for internet access, app downloads, and media streaming. The unit also supports smartphone mirror link with dual control functionality for multimedia. It plays MP3 and MP4 formats and features integrated Bluetooth for hands-free calling, A2DP music streaming, and phonebook access. It also includes an FM radio tuner, 87.5 to 108 MHz, and dual rear USB inputs. Audio performance is enhanced by a 4x50W amplifier and multiple output options, including 2-channel rear audio output, 1-channel video output, rear video output, and 2 CHRCA input. It supports rear-view camera input for enhanced safety, though the camera is sold separately. Compatibility and control are key strengths, with support for steering wheel controls and an optional Bluetooth steering wheel remote. The player is designed as a universal fit with a 1DIN installation size, though adapter kits might be needed for specific vehicles. It offers 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM for apps and media, with system memory configurations varying from 1 GB to 6 GB. A significant advantage is its extensive language support, covering over 60 languages. Optional expandability is offered through support for CMMB digital TV, USB DVR, TPMS, OBD, and DAB. The device operates on DC12V 14.4V, weighs 1.3 kilograms, and is CE certified. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.